MagicSwear.com is marketed as a stylish online fashion boutique selling trendy clothing, dresses, and accessories at huge discounts. But the real question is a legitimate boutique store or another risky fast fashion website using polished marketing? Now, to be fair, MagicSwear does appear to function as a real e-commerce site with active product listings, checkout systems, and customer service pages. What it does well: the website looks visually professional. Like many modern boutique stores, MagicSwear uses clean layouts, lifestyle photography, and trendy fashion styling that make the site appear trustworthy at first glance. Large product selection. The store offers a wide variety of dresses, tops, shoes, and accessories, which appeals to shoppers looking for inexpensive fast fashion options. Where it raises concerns: the discounts look unrealistic. This is one of the biggest warning signs. Constant 70 to 90% off pricing is extremely common among questionable fashion boutiques and often exists mainly to create urgency rather than reflect real product value. Very limited independent reputation. There is little strong long-term information about MagicSwear from trusted independent review platforms, which makes reliability harder to verify. Likely uses overseas sourcing or drop shipping. The overall store structure strongly resembles many dropshipping-style fashion websites that source inexpensive clothing from overseas suppliers while marketing themselves as premium boutiques. So, is MagicSwear.com another fake boutique store? Short answer: probably not fully fake, but definitely a shop carefully type of store. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.